guys, new advice, new topic from Loving Good. Welcome back into my channel, and if you are new, welcome. Today, let's talk about of Chrome. Would you wanna know how we download any kind of video what we want into the Chrome? Let's see to it on my video. Guys, so first things what we do, we go into the Chrome and open it. Once it's done, then we will go into the search. Then we will write on the search flash video downloader. Once it's done, look, then we click above into the first the top. Then guys, look, we have to press the download and we press the add extension because we need that by the Chrome. Then look down here, it's downloading down. Guys, look above here now. Before it doesn't have anything here, then now it's changed, which means that we can download anything from the Chrome. They send here also installation successful. Okay, now it's done. So we will go to any type of place, try to download if it work or not. If you go to the website, you can go to Dailymotion maybe if you want, but let me go into the Facebook. This is my video, what I save into the Facebook. I just click, then I will go above your check, guys. Look, it's right, it's two type, which means that we can download this video. Then I will click this, so it will be download. Then look down, guys, which means that the video will upload. Now we'll go into the file, into the download. So this is the video what I just download right now. Double click, then we will see if it's work or not. Obviously guys, we tried some HTTP Facebook. So this is the video what I just download. Thank you very much for watching. Then I hope my advice will help you whenever you download any type of video into the Chrome. With any social media, what you want to go to website or you want to go to Dailymotion. So thank you so much guys, and see you next week on the new video.